Hey there, Luke Kaliński from SNowIT speaking. I'm thrilled to welcome you back to our channel. Today we are diving into some game-changing solutions that are designed to elevate your ServiceNow experience to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, you are in for a treat. But before we jump into the details, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you will never miss out on the latest insights and innovative solutions we share here at SNowIT. Now, let's get down to business. In today's tutorial, we will dive into the powerful world of ServiceNow Subflows. If you have ever found yourself dealing with repetitive tasks, complex processes, or simply wanting to enhance the modularity of your workflows, then you are in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of ServiceNow Subflows, unrevealing the key concepts, walking through practical examples, and providing you with the skills to master this essential feature. So let's jump into it. In this example, we will explore the flexibility of ServiceNow Subflow by switching to the diagram view. Currently, we are using the vertical view, so let me present you how the diagram view appears. So, as you can see, we have an option to add many actions, like using this plus button. Also, when we click on the action, as you can see from the right side, the action will appear and we are able to specify the inputs, etc. Also, we are able to see another actions and add the nodes. So this is how it looks like. But let's switch back to the vertical view. Let's delve into inputs and outputs section. Notice that we have specified one input, rhythm, and two outputs, which will be the choice field with success and failure option and the error as a string. You have flexibility to add many types of the inputs. As you can see, the list is very long, but for our record, we'll use just existing ones. The initial action utilizes an API to fetch a set of Pokemon data. On the right side, you can see and observe how the data will be structured. So as you can see, we are returning an array with the objects, and object contains the name and the URL. Introducing a counter variable. This variable increments during the execution, and you can configure it from more actions menu by choosing these flow variables. You can add as many variables as you want, and we are starting from value equal to 0. For each iterates over an array that we got from the first action, and as you can see, then we have an access to each record, right, which contains the name and URL. So we can grab this Pokemon thing in our execution. This action retrieves Pokemon by name if it already exists in the system. Also, what is important, we don't fail on the error. So it means if no record will be found, we are not getting an error. The next one is checking if the Pokemon was not found. And then if it was not found, we are creating a user record. So as you can see, I have specified 4 fields and we can fulfill them in different way. So let me present you how we can set up this data. So let me clear all of them. And we can place them again. Starting with the easiest thing will be to grab it from the right side, so we can navigate to our pill and we are interested in the name, so we can grab it in here. Also, we can use this picker to choose the record that we want, so we will go into Pokemon and we will also choose the name. Also, we can specify the hard-coded value. We can use some combination, like we'll use Pokemon underscore and the name. So let me grab the name. And also, we can use some functions. So let's say that our email will be, so let's pick up Pokemon underscore. Now we can choose the name. And then we can add poke API. We can also use this function. So if we hover on this button, we can click on it, and then we can choose function that we want. So in our case, we'll use lowercase, and then we need to click apply. Sometimes there may be a need to add some scripted value. So let's say that we would like to get a city, and then we can click this toggle scripting for the city, and we can create some data. So we can use the execution data which is available. So we have to place fd data, and then we can dot walk to the field that we would like to use. So let's use our flow variable, and we can use the counter, right? So it doesn't matter, but then we have to return it. So this is the way how you can place a script in your values inside. Now we can remove our field, and we can go and check how the output will looks like. So we can pick up one read, click run test, and then we'll see the output. So as you can see, we have coded 9 Pokemon, so it means that one Pokemon was already in place. So this is how our Subflow works. Now, as you can see, it coded 0 Pokemons. I appreciate you spending your time with us today. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to subscribe and explore our website at snowit.co. Your support keeps us going. Exciting things are on the horizon, so stay tuned. See you in the next video.